Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video, and this time I got a couple packages here and they are from Supreme. So this is the stuff that I got from week 4 and that was a couple weeks ago, and yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, so why I am buying the Supreme things. So I always like to try to hustle on the side. You know, who doesn't want to get more money? And so I am strictly, for most of these pieces anyways, I am strictly trying to get them to be able to resell them. And so far, I have not had a lot of luck. I mean, I haven't done too much as far as trying to get my stuff out there. I have only put them on my Instagram selling page, which is shop docLUXURY. If you are interested in, purchasing any of these things, I would, I'd probably try to work out a deal with you. So yeah, just let me know. Just go check out that page and see what I have for sale. And yeah, so I figure, the time that I spend actually doing my research and going on the website while I am at work, so I have to try to figure that out as well. So drops always happen on Thursdays at 11 a.m. Eastern time, which is New York time, and so my time is 10 o'clock, and that's around, that's around the time I usually try. I'm already at work, and I try to get into work around 9 o'clock or so. And so I'm just checking my email and starting up and planning the rest of my day. And so that's a good time when I can be, and it only takes a few seconds pretty much to get everything that I want to try to get. And so after I open these items, I will also share a few hints and tips for getting the things or the items that you're interested in. So let's start with package number 1. So I have 2 packages. I know what I ordered, but I don't know what's in each of these packages. And so let me go ahead and get my blade and be very careful here, because I don't want to ruin what's inside. Alright, so just as in my previous unbagging, rather, it comes in a Supreme bag, which is a very nice material. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is, before I show you the item, let me show you what else comes in here. So this is a poster, and check that out, you guys. So it says Fear of the Black Planet, and this is a collaboration with Public Enemy, which is a a group from the 90s. I was born, before that, so I am familiar with this this group. And so here also, check this out. So this is the sticker pack that comes with the order, and I'm actually really excited about it. It looks like they gave me 2 in this pack. Maybe it's just a regular Supreme sticker on the back here, but let me try to... Okay, so it looks like there's 2 box logo stickers. So the cool one, it's really hard to get this out of the way, but you could kind of see, and people are calling this the Galaxy print. You guys can see it says Supreme, and it's basically a few planets in there. And also here is another sticker. And to be honest with you, I'm not really sure who that is in front of the fence. But here is what I got. And so I'm also not going to be opening these things because I am going to, like I said, I'm going to try to resell them. And so this is a long sleeve t-shirt, and it says the counterattack on world supremacy. And let me just see, I'll put photos over here also just so you guys can see what the shirt looks like on the front and on the back. And on the back is basically what you guys saw with this poster. And so this was basically on the back of the shirt. And people are actually selling these things that are for free. And these things as well. People are selling like these for $20 to $30. Could you believe that? And so, heck, you know, this is like a money-making thing that people are doing, and a lot more people are more successful than I am. But hopefully I learn more tips and tricks so I can start making some money too. But okay, so that is package number 1. Alright, package number 2. Interesting, so this one comes with a perforated end, so I'll just rip it open. Right. Okay, so they gave me a big bag, and this is actually a smaller item than what was there before. Let's see what's in here. So again, geez, all these posters are really messed up. But again, just showed you the poster, so here is another one. I'm not sure if they gave 1 per order or 1 per package. As you guys saw in my last haul, I had several packages from the same order, and I only got 1 of these sticker sets per order. So here is, again, I have this one in this bag, and for this one I got the classic Public Enemy. It says Public Enemy on the front of the shirt, and on the back, again I'll show you here, is a woman with some crosshairs, you know, with like an aim target on her face, and she says blow your mind. And so this is a size medium, and the shirt, or the long sleeve shirt, was a size large. So yeah, I'm really you know, intrigued with this. I mean, I've always really hated because it takes a lot of time, and it's a risk that you have to take with reselling items. And so yeah, I've always hated it because of the risk factor and also the time involved with, you know, posting things, taking pictures, yada yada yada, and stuff like that. But you know, I thought I'd give it a go. I didn't spend a whole lot during this drop because, yeah, there was nothing available, seriously. And so here are a few tips when ordering Supreme. So the very sought after items, I try to figure out by watching YouTube videos, because there are some people on YouTube and on Twitter that know what's coming out, and they basically know sort of what's the most popular things that everybody's going to try to get. And on the day of the drop, there is also, I forget what Twitter feed it is, but then they show you what is the fastest item to be sold out, and this is literally within seconds. And this is the drop that happens in Europe, or in the UK, I think. And yeah, so this week I wasn't able to score anything because the item that I wanted to try to get was this sweatshirt, and I'll post a picture right here. And in Europe, or I think in the UK, it sold out within 16 seconds. And by the time I had it in my cart, try to process payment, it was already sold out. Alright, so here is one tip for getting what you want, and that is to only get 1 item in your cart and try to check out as fast as possible. I mean, there is a $10 charge for shipping for each order, but if there is an item that you really, really want, either, you know, to keep for yourself or you think it'll have a large margin of resale, I recommend only putting one item in your cart and checking out as fast as you can. Because by the time you put another thing in your cart and try to check out, something's going to be sold out. And here's something I learned from from this drop, actually, the Public Enemy drop, is that I had several items in my cart and I didn't listen to this advice, because I tried to like from the first drop that happened, I was able to get multiple items in each cart. But I thought I'd do the same thing, and so I had, I think, 3 shirts in my 3 sweatshirts and a shirt in my cart, and then I go to check out and I can't, because at least one of the items has been sold out. And you know what has been sold out, because when you go into the what your cart has in it, it'll have it all crossed out, and you can't check out not unless you remove that from your cart. And so I learned that the hard way. I try to keep on, you know, checking out, but I just couldn't. I didn't know why. And then I finally deleted everything that was sold out already. And I was able to just get one item. And then after I placed this order for this shirt, I went back in the store, and then I found that these were still available. And I decided, okay, I'll just go ahead and purchase this one as well. And so I did. And then after I placed that order, I went back into the store and everything was already sold out. So yeah, there goes that story. And then for this week's drop, yeah, I just couldn't get anything. And I didn't want to spend a lot of money. And so that's why. And this week's drop was a collaboration with Champion. And everything was sold out within seconds. And so sometimes I'm gonna not be able to get anything, and some weeks, you know, we'll see what I get. I know there are a lot of different collaborations that are in the pipeline. I saw pictures of a Supreme box logo with a collaboration with Burberry and Dolce & Gabbana, which are really cool. And the box logo t-shirts are probably the most popular items available. And so if you're looking to, you know, reselling there, those are probably the ones that you should try to get. Otherwise, so far, I don't think this is a very lucrative, you know, thing for me. But I'm still going to try. We'll see what happens. But yeah, so those are my tricks and tips. Oh, and make sure you get there the second that the drop happens, to the minute. And you should be on the exact page that you want to be on. Let's say sweatshirts if you want a particular sweatshirt, shirts if you want a particular shirt, yada yada yada. And you just keep on clicking refresh, refresh, refresh until the new drop populates. And then just click on your item, quickly go to checkout, put in your credit card information, and hopefully your computer auto-populates all this stuff, and you could just click on, you know, submit. And hopefully it takes a little bit of time, but hopefully your order gets processed and goes through. And your order should take maybe a week or so to get to you. And yeah, that is all I have for this video. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them down below. I know this is a different thing for my channel to be doing something like this, but hell, I just wanted to try something different. No need to stay in the quote-unquote luxury realm forever and not be able to get out of it. And so yeah, I just want to do something new. So yeah, and just till next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.